Help! My notes are a mess and so hard to study from. What can I do?
That's not good. Your grades are suffering.
Welcome to class. Today we're going to talk about foldables. Foldables are a great way for students to take notes, keep notes, and to use as study guides. Let's go and check some of them out. This slide shows the basic folds for foldables. Please go over them. We will be using several of them in this lesson, and maybe even some that are not, just as a bonus. Our first foldable that we're going to make today is the half fold. Well, it's not going to be exactly half because we're going to use a little bit of a lip to either poke holes to be able to put into our binders or to label it. So you're going to take your piece of paper 8.5 by 11 and you're going to use that hamburger fold and leave just a little bit at the edge, maybe an inch, half an inch, depending on your preference. Then you're going to take your ruler and you're going to lightly draw about a half an inch width going down the whole length of the paper so that you have lines that are drawn horizontally that are about a half an inch wide. These will be your cutting marks for the tabs. So then this way the questions can be put on the outside and the answers can be on the inside when you lift the tab. This can be used as a lesson, as part of a group activity, and the students have to fill in the answers. Then, if there's any corrections to be made, make sure they do it in pencil so then they can have the correct answers on the inside in order to study from. So, the next video will demonstrate how to make this, and make sure that you're using pencil, scissors, ruler, and you can use any color paper that you desire. The next foldable we're going to create are matchbook foldables. They are great for when you have a small amount of space and a lot of information. These pictures show great examples for this. Next we have the shutter foldable. This can be used with 2 parts in the front, 4 parts in the front, 8 parts in the front, and the information can be segmented inside as well. You can also do a nice 2-part one using a manila folder as well. Graphic organizers have been researched a lot. Let's talk about the science behind them. Yes, I said science. Graphic organizers such as foldables can help students focus on text structure as they read, provide tools used to visually represent relationships in texts. They help students write well-organized summaries of text. The students are actively engaged in the instructional process and learning as they create foldables. Thank you for coming to class. I hope you enjoyed this PD, and I hope that you got a lot out of it and found a new skill to use in your classroom to motivate your students to be better learners and better studiers. And please make sure that you do the reflection and the assignment and turn it in at the end of 1 week's time. Thank you again, and hope to see you again in another PD soon.